Good morning, everyone. Welcome to yet another aanmelder.nl tutorial. Today, I'm going to teach you how you can send messages to aanmelder, and in particular, we're going to zoom in on sending event invites. So the first thing you'll do when you're in your dashboard, you either head over to the quick actions and the message center, or you hover over to the left, communications and message center. So when being in the message center, you can see that there's four types of messages. On the first, you have create an invitation. Secondly, create a message. Thirdly, a survey invitation. And fourthly, create an SMS. We're going to focus on the create an invitation. Oh, and before we continue, it's good to know that if you haven't uploaded any context to aanmelder.nl, that it's impossible to test send invites, because it will ask that in a later step, but you'll see. Just give it a name, test invite. You see that you can pick one of these two templates or copy one of your own emails from another event. I'm going to go with this one because this is my favorite, the standard invite. The message name, this one is only visible to people that are internal in your company, not to people that receive the email. Give it a subject. You can add attachments here. You can upload your own banner here. It will also, I believe, specify the size of what it should be. Let me just add some customization here. And here you can just edit your email through the drag and drop builder. You can change the color of the text block and everything, reset the styling. You can add images, or this one, it's a combination of image and text. So let's just do that. Oh, okay. So it's there, nice. You can just add copy here. You can just change the image if you'd like, add some other styling options that I'm a fan of. And also a nice thing to know is that this is in our knowledge base article, but we have an article with all the personalization tokens. So for instance, now we have recipient salutation, but you can also add like recipient name, and then based on the name in the list, it would just automatically update, which is nice. You can also change the destination of your link for the button, change text. Well, I like this text, so I'm not going to change it. And another thing that I'm pretty happy with is this option to just add a calendar link, so that once people have this, they can just add it to their calendar. Pretty nice. So one thing I always recommend you do is preview your email. So here you can choose to just send it to all contacts or contacts that you've given a certain label. So that's also nice. That's the reason why we label our contacts, or you can label your contacts. Sender name, subject, attachments. Here you can choose the send later. So you can also send an invite in the future. So you just set everything up, and yeah, then you can just leave it. So that's nice. You can also, which I also recommend, preview the mobile version so that you can see that it looks clean there as well. And once you did this, just hit send email. I've already made a different email and sent myself a preview, so you can see that here. Pretty nice. Oh, wait. Actually, I want to show it. So you can see that here, which is pretty nice. Also an option to add it to your agenda, which is here. Then it will just add to my Google Calendar. And this is the invite. So out of this one, you can go to register today, and voila, and you just add the registration form that you've already created. So it's just as easy and as nice as that. So that was it for setting up and creating invites. If you have any questions, always check the knowledge base article, or you can create a ticket with support, and they'll be more than happy to help you out. So good luck taking care of your messaging in aanmelder, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.